how to add a shipping option on Shopee. Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to add a shipping option on Shopee. First, open your Shopee application on your mobile device. Then, you will get to see an option that says Me on the bottom right corner. So tap on Me. After that, what you need to do is tap on the settings icon at the top of the screen. Here, tap on the shipping option. Here, you will find the shipping options. You can turn the toggle on to add a shipping option. So that is exactly how you can add shipping options on Shopee. This way, you can add whichever shipping options you want to add on your Shopee. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.